watching. Welcome back. I took 7 months off of YouTube. I went through the absolute hardest year of my life. Maybe I will get into it at some point, but today I just wanted to get back on track and start filming again. So today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup routine. I'm a single mom, very busy. I do own a business. And as much as I love the glitz and the glam and getting all dolled up, my daily makeup routine is pretty simple. So that's what we're gonna do today. First, I am fresh out the shower. I have wet hair. I typically let my hair air dry every single day. So I guess we'll start there. In the shower, I double cleanse my skin. I have been using this blue NILA soap. It's a Moroccan soap. It helps brighten and get rid of dark circles. So it smells just like soap. It's nothing fancy you can get on Amazon, but I have been using this daily, and then I will double cleanse with the Origins Cheeks and Balances foaming wash. I love this. It like froths up really nicely. Then for shampoo, I'm actually really into rice shampoo. So I use the VIORI shampoo bar. This one smells like coconut. And it works so well. Sometimes I don't even use conditioner. You can just comb right through your hair with this. And I have very long hair, as you can see. I do comb my hair in the shower. All my hairstylist people don't come for me. It's just what works best for me. So this is a staple. And then if I do use conditioner, I will use the IGK Extra Love Volumizing. This is just what I'm using right now. And for body wash, I'm currently using this Almond Magic Soap from Dr. Bronner's. I like the peppermint one, but this one just smells so good. So use this, and then the KOPARI shower oil after. That's basically my shower routine. So once I get out of the shower, I will moisturize. So I either use the KOPARI Ultra Restore Body Butter, this one, which is like thicker, or I'll just use the lotion. They both smell really good. It's the same scent. I love them. I have them in back stock. I love them so much. Deodorant, ATHENA. This stuff smells, oh my God, so good. It's an all natural, aluminum free deodorant. Love it. Skincare, I will go in with the LANEIGE toner. I don't love this product, to be honest. It's fine. I do have a better toner that I prefer, but I'm just kind of using this one up. So this is what I use today. And then the Dr. BABOR Eye Awakening Cream. This stuff is really good. And I will use the RODIAL Vitamin C Eye Souffle. Just for right under here. It smells really good. It's super thick. Love that. Then I use the KOPARI Save Face oil. This I just started using. I'll let you know what I think about it. It smells okay. This smells a little bit strong, but I do really love KOPARI products, so we're giving this a try. And then for my hair, like I said, I usually just let it air dry. I am a single mom, so I usually just throw on a ball cap and jeans and run around with my 4-year-old all day. But I do use the Kristen S Air Dry Cream. I love this one. So this is a staple. So for my everyday makeup routine, it's really simple. I usually use some type of tinted SPF. I do live in Florida. We are getting into fall in North Florida, but the sun is still strong. So SPF always. This is the NYX Buttermelt Glaze. It has SPF, niacinamide, and shea butter. And this is in Vanilla Bean, number 2. It might be a little bit light for me. I usually go in with a bronzer, but because we are moving into fall, I've kind of just been going with like a darker type blush. So I just put it on my fingers and get it in there. And for me daily, that's typically enough coverage because we're going to the beach, we're going to the pool, we're sweating, we're at the park, we're running around. You know, I don't want something too heavy that's just gonna sloth off. So then, if I do need concealer, I will go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Radiant, and this is 29 Nude, 29N. I have heard mixed reviews about this concealer. Some people love it. Some people think it's a little bit, moves around too much. I like a very moisturized under eye, so just use a little bit there to brighten. And I would normally set it with my Mercier translucent powder, which if you watch my previous videos, you know it's broken to shambles and I cannot find a replacement of it. I still have not found an under eye powder that I like love, that doesn't give me the grandma eye. So if you can recommend something to me, I would appreciate it. I'm open to trying something new. Just realized I'm filming and I don't even have a mirror. I'm just using the viewfinder today. You know, when I started YouTube almost a year ago, I was starting to gain some traction and really loving it. And, you know, life happens. I got kind of thrown off my routine and coming back to it, I don't know what I'm doing again. So I have to like start all over, figuring out my camera, my settings. So bear with me. I obviously am in a new background. I moved. So then I will go in with the blush. This is the Royal Blush Contour from Mercier. It's this really beautiful deep color, which is why I'm skipping bronzer. Normally I'm like bronze up, but I don't know, this is just the routine lately. I've been really loving a little bit heavier on the blush, and I will just kind of tap it off on the mirror. This is the Morphe M104.5. I know this was a collab with someone. I can't think of who it was, but these are the travel brushes. We just got back from Colorado, so this is what I have. This is what I'm using. And keep in mind when I do this routine, it's very early in the morning and I have 5 minutes to do my makeup before my daughter is needing my attention. So we just get it done as quick as we can, get a little bit cute, and go about our day. I am going to be getting back on a normal filming schedule. You know, when I started YouTube about a year ago, I realized how much I really loved it, and I do want to continue making regular content, especially now that I'm in a really good place mentally. I'm in a really good, safe environment. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Then eyebrows. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Precision Eyebrow Pencil. I really love this because you don't have to sharpen it. It kind of just twists up, and it has the spoolie on the other side. I do need a mirror for this, so here we go. Oh, it's dirty. Well, we'll just wing it here. Oops, nothing too crazy. My eyebrows are pretty dark to begin with, so I kind of just want to like define them a little bit. And this eyebrow pencil is very forgiving. If you do make a few crazy lines, it just kind of wipes away super easy. Very quick eyebrow fill. How's that looking? Pretty good? Good. And then mascara. I love the Lash Paradise. If you've seen my other videos, you know that. Get this going. And to be honest, sometimes I don't even do mascara when I'm like walking her to school, knowing that we're gonna go swimming in a little bit. I'll just throw on a hat and call it a day. For all my moms out there, you know how that goes when they're little. I have had my daughter on my channel. She starred, she guest starred in my Dollar Tree full face makeup video. She's so cute and she loves making her own videos and makeup and all that. So maybe I'll bring her back on here. This does feel really good to be sitting in front of the camera again, even though I'm kind of out of it, out of the loop. You know, when I was like filming regularly, I had my routine down, I had my setup down, I had my lighting down somewhat. So it's kind of like starting over again, but it actually feels really good. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos and I enjoy being here. And then lastly, I go in with this lip gloss. I've just been obsessed with this color lately, especially for fall. It's, I think it's LA Colors. It's just a plumping lip gloss. And the color is Wildcat. It's like this burnt kind of orange type color. Anyways, very natural. It just gives you a little extra color rather than a clear gloss. And that's pretty much it. Usually I'll just throw on, again, a hat and a pair of jeans. You can see my hair is already drying. I have a natural wave and texture to my hair. And that's it. Thank you for watching.